The next one is flippity.net. Flippity with 2 P's here. And there are tons and tons of game options on here for free. Thank you, Flippity. One of the ways that I like to use it is randomizer. So I put in prompts from speeches from students of the past along with emojis so that they can practice saying things with emotion, with vocal variety and vocal energy. So I'll randomize a saying and then 3 different emojis. So students will get, this one is a bit opening. I'm tired. I'm tired of classes, presentations, and work.
Every day feels like a struggle to survive. Long hours, with barely enough for my needs. Some say that perhaps life is better spent in paradise, and perhaps I could go there. Or maybe I should live with my sadness, since that means through my torture others can live better. Or maybe I'm just...
hungry? Maybe that means I'm a little hungry. So they'll interpret what the emoji means, but deliver it in 3 different ways. So this is such a fun game that I do indeed love to use.